Welcome to Ropinga YouTube channel. Thank you for your patience. Watch the video to the end. You are most welcome. This
This
AI
video.
tutorial is magic and simple for
Hi
everyone to learn.
guys, good evening, good morning, assalamu alaikum, happy Ramadan. Today I'm going to teach you how to generate AI images about wishing somebody a happy Ramadan. So you open your browser, type in Beam Image Creator, and wait for some time. It will come this way. You click on Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. So it will come here. For a first timer, you will not see it easily like this. You have to sign up with your Google account. Because me, I have signed up already. That is why it has come. And I've used some of my points. So you put your prompt here. The prompt is the description of the images that you are looking for. So I'm going to put my prompt here. This is how my prompt is. So let's read the prompt. Create a 3D realistic image of a 20-year-old Ghanaian boy wearing a Holi Colorfull dress, paint shirt in decent dress with neck shoes, with glass singlets, beautiful hairstyle. He leaned against a wall with the name Happy Ramadan Ayuba in big capital style, colorful font written on the back white wall. Hyper realistic 32K. So this is the description of the images that we are going to create. So you now click on create and wait for some time. It is generating the images for us. So please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share and comment. These are our amazing images that we have created. So you click on the image and download them one after the other. The one that is okay for you, download like this, like this, like this. That is amazing, like this. Great. Happy Ramadan Ayuba. So thank you for watching. We'll end the video here. We'll continue with our subsequent videos. Please don't forget to share this video to friends and family. Happy Ramadan to all friends and family.